mga tulilots? Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I dismantle the fuel injector of the HND generator. Now, before we start, I just want you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and just click the bell button so you can get updated for the future videos as well. So let's go to the generator and start dismantling the fuel injector of the HND generator. Come on. So the first thing to do here is to remove the exhaust manifold cover of the generator. I use number 13 wrench to remove the 4 bolts that mounting the cover. Next is the removal of the exhaust manifold. I use a screwdriver to loose the clips so we can remove the manifold. Here I'm removing the cap nut that connects the delivery pipe and the fuel injector. I use number 17 wrench to remove it. As you can see, I'm showing you one side of the generator only because our focus here is showing you how to remove the injector alone. Now I will remove that plunger bolt or hollow screw, but I will start from the end of the hose because it's more accessible and easy to remove. I use number 10 wrench to remove this 4 plunger bolt or hollow screw. Now using ratchet wrench with socket number 13, I will remove this fastening plate of the fuel injector. Now we're done removing the fastening plate. We are now going to remove the injector by using this special tool. I put it where the cap nut was so I can pull the injector. So you can see I'm pulling it. There. Now I will do it to the succeeding injectors as well. It's cleaning time. Now it's time to return or replace the fuel injector with the pre-calibrated one. Using the same tool, push it back to the cylinder head gently. Make sure the O-ring is placed well and remove the tool, and take note that the fuel injector position, remember that the hole is facing the cylinder head cover because that's where the hollow screw or plunger bolt will be put. Check also the O-ring if it's placed well so we can avoid leakage. Next is the fastening plate. Return its washer and place the nuts. Tight it one side at a time so the force is equally divided. Now place the hollow screw in the hose and connect it to the fuel injector. Make sure the washers on both sides are in good condition and in the right place. Now connect the cup nut that connects the delivery pipe or high pressure pipe to the fuel injector. Continue placing the fuel injector with the rest of the cylinder heads. Shoutout nga pala kay Mark Jasper 21. Na-mention yung HND. Ito na po, nagkaroon ako ng chance. So yun. So that's how I dismantle the fuel injector of HND or Henan diesel engine generator of this vessel. If you have any comments, reactions, or any suggestions for the next videos, you can comment down below. It's free, you can do that. If you want to see more of my videos, you can click the thumbnail below over there. Okay, bye!